Okay, today we're going to learn how to ask questions in French. All right, the first one is où, where. I'm going to read these three questions and then tell you what they mean. Où est-ce que Olaf habite? Où est-ce que tu manges? Où est-ce que vous dansez? Où est-ce qu'ils dînent? So you have où plus est-ce que to say where does Olaf live? Where do you eat? Where do you dance? And where do they eat out? So you have où plus est-ce que to ask where something is. Okay, quand. This is this is when. Okay, I'm going to read the questions and then tell you what they mean. Quand est-ce que tes parents sont en vacances? Quand est-ce que tu joues au water polo? Quand est-ce que Olaf regarde la télé? Quand est-ce que One Direction chante? Quand est-ce que nous téléphonons nos parents? So the first one is, when are your parents on vacation? When do you play water polo? When does Olaf watch TV? When does One Direction sing? And when do we telephone our parents? So you have quand plus est-ce que. Oops, sorry. To ask a question of when you do something. Oops, qu'est-ce qui se passe? The Eiffel Tower fell. Just make sure you're watching the video. All right, activity 1. You need to pause this on the YouTube video and answering these two questions with where and when. Okay, so where do you live? Où est-ce que tu habites? And then the other one is quand est-ce que tu manges le soir? When do you eat at night? Okay, so you'll need to pause this. All right, à quelle heure is another, it means at what time. Okay, I'm going to read the directions. I'm going to read the questions and tell you what they mean. À quelle heure est-ce que tu écoutes One Direction? À quelle heure est-ce qu'ils dansent le tango? À quelle heure est-ce que Olaf étudie le français? So this means at what time do you listen to One Direction? What time do they dance the tango? And what time does Olaf study French? Okay, so you have à quelle heure plus est-ce que to ask a question about at what time. Okay, comment means how. Comment est-ce que vous dansez le tango? Bien ou mal. Comment est-ce que nous chantons? Bien ou mal. Et comment est-ce qu'ils jouent au tennis? Okay? Just to point out here, whenever you have il ou elle, you do need to have the apostrophe and you drop the e. So this means, how do you dance the tango? And you would say, je danse bien, or je danse mal. And then this means, how do you sing? And you would say, je chante bien, or je chante mal. And this means, how do you play tennis? And you would say, ils jouent au tennis bien. Oh, sorry, ils jouent bien au tennis, ou ils jouent mal au tennis. Okay, qui est ce? Just make sure you're watching this. This is Olaf. La Reine des Neiges is how you say Frozen. It's the title of the movie in French. All right, these are the activity. Answer the following two questions. Comment est-ce que vous jouez aux jeux vidéo? Bien ou mal? And à quelle heure est-ce que tu regardes la télé? So you'll need to pause this and write it out on a separate sheet of paper and bring to class. Pourquoi? All right, this means why. Pourquoi est-ce que tu aimes le film Frozen? Pourquoi il étudie le français? Pourquoi nous chantons les chansons de Frozen? Et pourquoi est-ce que tu aimes regarder la télé? Again, this should have an apostrophe here. That's my fault, okay, because there are two vowels next to each other. So the first question is, why do you like Frozen? The next one is, why do you study French? Why do we sing the songs of Frozen? And then why do you like to watch TV? And there should be an S here. Okay, cool. Parce que means because. So you can either use it at the beginning of the sentence or to unite two sentences. So the first one is, j'étudie le français parce que je veux voyager en France. Parce que je suis à la maison. And je chante parce que j'aime chanter. So the first sentence is, I like French because I want to, this should be an X here at the end, not a T. It means I study French because I want to travel in France. Then the second sentence would be like answering a question that asks you why you're at the house, or why you're going home, or why you're watching TV. You would say, because I'm at my house. And then this, it'd be something like, why do you sing? And you would say, I sing because I like to sing. And this is your last activity, is write a question with each of these following, they're called interrogative adverbs, okay? So the first one's où means where, quand means when, pourquoi means why, comment means how, and à quelle heure means at what time. And you write this with est-ce que. So it'll be où plus est-ce que, and then you have your subject and then your verb. Quand plus est-ce que, your subject and then your verb. And all of this is on page 106 in your book if you need some help. All right, good luck.